Make sure that the mounting surface is cleaned and free of grease. Place the Memonizer Mobile with the label facing upwards as close as possible to the charging socket on the smartphone. Remove the adhesive film from the carrier film and stick it over the Memonizer Mobile. Then press the adhesive film into place. That's it. Protective cases can now be refitted to the smartphone. Place the Memonizer Mobile with the label facing down in the empty battery compartment if the bottom of the device's battery compartment is flat. You can then insert the batteries as usual and close the battery compartment. That's it. If the bottom of the battery compartment is not flat, you can place the Memonizer Mobile on the batteries with the label facing up and close the battery compartment again. That's it.